Hey my Disney family, this is Vicky with Vicky's Ticker Tales. Welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing a pack your park bag, and I wanted to do this video specifically for a Disney trip that we're getting ready to go on. Hey girls! I cannot wait, it's gonna be so much fun. There's really no rhyme or reason. There are a few essentials that you probably should always have in your backpack, and we're gonna go over those today. So after multiple times of going into the parks and different backpacks or sling bags or fanny packs or whatever you may be, I am finding there's two different bags I like to take. One is these mini backpacks, the Loungefly. This may be the one that I actually take into the parks when we go. And they're small enough to have enough room to carry everything that I need. And if you don't pack them to the brim, they're lightweight. So pick what's going to work for you. You have to carry it all day. So I'm actually going to show this one. This is actually kind of like a makeshift. This is what I'm packing in my park bag today to show you for the video. And we're just going to get right into it. So first thing is sunglasses. Protect those eyes. I am going to be bringing these. And so sunglasses. Bring your sunglasses. Before you go, make sure to apply enough sunscreen. Take some with you. Because we're going to be out in the sun for an extended period of time. So there's a lot of lines that are outside cues. Make sure to always put your sunscreen on. I am bringing, we talked about going on Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and so bring an extra pair of socks and bring some kind of Ziploc bag to put anything wet that gets wet in your bag or outside of it into your park bag to keep with you. I have a hair tie. It's going to be a humid and hot. We're going in June. And so bring some kind of hair tie to pull your hair up if you're going to need to pull it up. I've got also a hair clip back here that I'm wearing currently. Those will work as well. The next thing that I have is a portable charger. I'm sure we're going to be taking a lot of photos. So you don't want your phones to go out. Bring some kind of portable chargers that you can take with you. Make sure it's fully charged up before we go. And this is going to be a lifesaver. Now they do have full fuel rods in the park. I cannot remember for the life of me right now. I'll look it up and I will text everybody in the group chat of how much they are, where you can buy them. When they're done, you pop them back into a station and you'll get another one. I want to say they were like, I'm not going to venture to guess. So anyway, bring also the charger that goes with it. Another thing is a portable fan. This one I can actually wear around my neck, and it has 3 different speeds, and it you can wear it around the neck and it just blows right up into your face. So we want to keep that makeup looking nice. Also bring a charger for this so you don't run out of juice. Here is the sunscreen. I use Neutrogena. This is 60 proof or 60 SPF. 60 proof. Oh my. SPF. Okay. And very, very good. I really like this. I know I don't have to tell y'all this. Bring some kind of mask. We're still going to be around a lot of people. It goes without saying, of course. They don't require them in the park anymore. So you don't, and they do have they don't have where you can buy them anymore. So but bring some kind of mask that you can wear while you're inside, because there are some indoor queues. Well, you'll be indoors with a lot of people. So keep that in mind. The next, I always bring is some hand sanitizer. I have the gel. I also have a little mist spray. I won't be bringing both, but I do have it. This is also another sunscreen. And then I also like to bring one of these, which is one of those, it's a reusable bag, but it fills up really small. So this is a Winnie the Pooh, but if you're going to do any kind of shopping, if you need to carry something extra, if you bought a couple of pins, here's an extra bag. Okay. I did go to the dollar store to grab a couple of essentials as well. So, I like to actually carry, I have everything loose in that bag, but when I actually go, I carry a couple of different like cosmetic bags that I put stuff in. So one will be dedicated to like medicines that you need to have. I usually carry Band-Aids in it, every like different sizes. So if there's a lot of walking, so make sure, first of all, it's not the time to break in new shoes. So make sure they're really well broken in and you've done a lot of walking in them. Also, I like to bring a little bit of moleskin. This is really good to keep from blisters forming. There's one roll, so you guys don't have to buy it. I got it. It's really great. And just, you can put padding wherever you're going to need it. So moleskin and Band-Aids. I usually keep them in a little like cosmetic bag. So we have it. And then I put also a bag for electronics. So any chargers, power banks, cords, anything like that. Keep them all neat. And then I also bring a bag for like hair ties, just like your makeup, your chapstick, all of that stuff. So I also have dental floss and those dental sticks, whichever you guys prefer. I keep a bag of tissue in mine. I also keep, here's like another medicine thing. We're going to be eating things that maybe sometimes we don't always, have in our regular diet. So, just in case, it's never a bad thing to have. And I won't bring the full bottle in my backpack. It'll just be like a Ziploc like snack bag full of them. Rain ponchos. You can get these at the dollar store. I got 2 of them. These ones are, they're reusable. They're pretty durable. For the water rides, you're going to want one of these. You will get wet. So, Ziploc poncho extra socks for those. I also have, quick pro tip. Disney does not sell gum in the park. So if you're a gum chewer, make sure to bring your own. They do not sell it. I don't have it in my park bag right now. I will by the time we leave. But make sure that you bring it. Anything that you like to have, cough drops, vitamin C, whatever the case, put it all in your first aid bag. And here's another example of hand sanitizer. One of the ones I really like. Grab that at the dollar store. Most all of this stuff you can grab it at the dollar store for $1.25 each. And the other thing is, if you want to freshen up during the stay on a bathroom break or something, you bring some, these are aloe vera facial cleansing wipes. Awesome. Also help for cooling off a little bit too. And, whatever the hair tie you like to do. Now, the other thing that I really liked, that I always use and I carry most often in my bag, and I'm going to disappear for a second, is I have all of my cards, and I don't carry a big wallet when I go to the park because it just adds more weight to what you already have. I have a card holder. These are awesome. Take the cards that you need. You want your ID. You'll want any kind of gift cards that you have. Disney gift cards. Whatever they are. Your credit cards. if you're a season pass holder, your season pass, any of that, put them in a little card holder and you can just slip it into your wallet. The last, not the last but least thing is chapstick. I always bring either Aquifer, or I like this one. One of my girlfriends gave me this chapstick. It's very silky, but you want to make sure that you keep your lips hydrated. So that's the bulk of everything that I pack in my park bag. Oh, it's a tongue twister. I don't know why this morning it's been a tongue twister, but you'll find various other things too that people have listed as to what they pack in their park bag. You'll want, of course, your phone charger. You can put it in a little cosmetic bag that's all of your electronic wiring and stuff like that. It keeps it all nice and neat. That way when you go into your bag, if you need something, you're going to buy something, you need to, all you got to do is move a couple of those bags around and you're right into whatever you're trying to get. I think that's pretty much it from what I can think of. List anything down below in the comment section as to what is your absolute necessity when you go into the parks to pack in your park bag. I hope you all enjoyed. I can't wait to see you all on our Disney day. It's going to be fabulous, and I'm so excited. See you soon. Ta-ta for now. Mwah.